Hi, space explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the cosmos to explore Kepler-452, a planet often called Earth older brother or even Earth 2.0. We will break down what makes it so special, how it compare to our home planet, and the mind-blogging implications for finding life beyond Earth. Stick around because the similarities might just blow your mind. So, what exactly is Kepler 452b? Discovered by a NASA Kepler Space Telescope back in 2015. This exoplanet orbits the star Kepler-452b, which is a G star, G-type star. Just like our Sun, it's located about 1400 light years away in the constellation Cygnus. Now, here the kicker Kepler-452b is about 60% larger in a diameter than Earth. This makes it a super Earth, a class of planets bigger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Scientists estimates its mass could be up to 5 times that of Earth. Imagine a planet with significantly stronger gravity. What would that feel like? Could life even adapt to such conditions? Now, size isn't everything. The real excitement is around Kepler 452b comes from its locations, its orbits. It's a star within the habitable zone. You know that the Goldilocks region where temperature are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for a liquid water to potentially exist on the surface. And liquid water, as we know, billions of years of earth history is absolutely crucial for life as we know it. Kepler 452 completes one orbit around its star every 385 days, remarkably similar to the Earth 365 days year. This means its year is only slightly longer than ours. Pretty neat, right? Let's talk about its stars. Kepler 452b, it's about 6 billion years old, which is 1.5 billion years older than our sun. It is also slightly larger and brighter than our sun. This means Kepler 452b receives more 10% more energy from its star than Earth does from sun. So, more energy and larger size, why isn't scorching Venus? Well, its slightly wider orbit helps balance thing out, but here the thing being older means it star is evolving as a star is, they tend to get brighter. This older brighter star means Kepler 452b is receiving more energy than Earth, thus today potentially pushing it towards a runaway greenhouse effect maybe. This is where the older cousin aspects gets really interesting. If Kepler 452b has had liquid water for say billions of years longer than Earth, what might have happened there? Could life have arisen? And if it did, could it have had enough time to evolve into something complex, maybe even intelligent? It's pure speculations, of course. We don't know if it has an atmosphere or water or the right chemical ingredients, but the potential is tantalizing. Think about it. Earth is only about 4.5 billion years old. Kepler 452b might have had 1.5 billion year head start. That's a huge amount of time for evolution. What do you think? If life did arise on Kepler 452b, what form might it take given the higher gravity or and older star? Let me know your widest theories in comments below. Now, let's temper our excitement with reality. Kepler 452b is 1400 light years away. That's incredibly far. We can't send probes there anytime soon. And even our most powerful telescope struggle to get detailed atmospheric data. We also don't know if it's rocky like Earth or gas giant. Its larger size could mean it's more like in a mini Neptune. And that higher gravity, it could make it difficult for life as we know it to even get a start, let alone thrives here. The thing, while it tick many boxes for habitability, we need more data to confirm anything. So, why are we so fascinated by Kepler 452b? Because its discovery like this brings us closer to answering the fundamentals questions. Are we alone in the universe? Finding planets similar to Earth, especially those in habitable zones, significantly increase the odds that life exists elsewhere. Kepler 452b is a crucial data point to stepping stone in our cosmic quest. If you are as a fascinated by this mysterious of the universe as I am, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe if you want all if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next cosmic adventures. And seriously, drop your thoughts on Kepler 452b in the comment sections. I love reading your ideas. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the Kepler 452b Earth intriguing older brother. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of potential waiting for us among the stars. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.